to buy and drink.
Yummy! Yummy! Got it. Look at this place. Oh, looks nice. Gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Looks gorgeous. Not here. No space. Can you hear that? Look, I sound like the song from Creely. Stop, stop, stop. Where do we go? Where do we go? That way or this way? Where do we go? That way or this way? Oh, Mama, look it! Come here, look! Let's go. Which way? This way?
Yeah.
What the lady say?
You have to go back to the main entrance.
You hear that? Smell? That's something. Oh, look at that. Look
You see, I can hear the pig. The pig is snoring.
On playground, on playground.
Lisa, we're not going to the playground. We're gonna watch the nativity.
Huh?
Nativity.
Are you watching?
Mm-hmm.
What are you watching?
Yeah. North Pole. We're gonna go see Santa in the North Pole.
That's not true. That's not true.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to the North Pole. This is Santa. Where's Santa? I see it.
To him.
Slow down, slow down.
Look! Look! Wow! Look at this, Daddy, Mommy! Look at that! Look at that, Mommy! It stinks. It stinks. Look at that, Daddy! Look! Look at that!
So let's give a big clap to our wonderful donkey. I normally say to lead the way, but you led the way, Misty.
Oh.
That's good. Good.
Here.
What did you hold?
Guinea pig.
A guinea pig and
A rabbit.
a rabbit. Those were your favourite, were they?
Yeah.
Cool. Did you do anything in the nativity, or did you just sing the songs and watch?
Watch.
Watched. Okay, that's good. Lovely. And do we know what we would like for Christmas? What would you like for Christmas?
Ito ba yung drink? Juice para sa mga bata, men's fine. Oh, sit down, daddy.
Ah, sorry.
Sit down. Are you coming or not? No? Okay. Yeah, can you stay here, daddy?
No.
No? Okay. Come here, Nabil. Tina.
Wait. Okay.
Okay then.
I leave that one here, daddy. I leave it here. I'll come back. Huh? No?
Drink it when you come back. Oh wait, you don't want it.
Me.
Don't trust that.
Play with me.
Forget it. Go on then.
Yippee. Mama.
No. We're going to close now soon. What, you think it's not real?
Yeah.
Who said that?
Alina said it's not real, Father Christmas.
Oh well, you won't get anything then.
Oh. Because if it's not real, then you're not gonna get something that you know for Christmas.
right.
Oh.
That's right.
But if it's real, because Father Christmas
You have to believe.
always
That's what.
make an effort.
Yeah, give me I need a wife.
Right? You want another wife?
Wife. Yeah, a wife?
Huh?
What, 2 wives? I don't think so. Okay. Well, thank you very much. Cheeseburger and a large fry.
And a large latte, did you say?
Large fries, yes.
Anything else?
No, that'll do it.
Anything else?
No, thank you. That's it.
Please make your way down to the payment of
Thank you.
1246, okay?
Thank you.
Bless you. Mag-happy meal kami mga kachika kasi pang extra to ng mga bata. Bago kami umalis ng bahay, nag-dinner na kami, nag-roast dinner yan sila. Ay, syempre, gutom na kasi ano pa yun sila nag-dinner. 4:30, I think nag-dinner sila. So, matagal-tagal na. Anong oras na? Alas 9 na. Mas maraming laro pa yung mga ganap nila doon. Although nag-snack-snack naman sila. Pero, yun nga, biscuit lang naman kasi may ano siya yung parang ano ba? Parang yun, pag mga punta-punta ka ng mga ganyan, may meron talagang parang paano ba? Patikim. Drink. Wine na mainit. Walang ano ba yung tawag doon, mainit na wine. Tapos yung ginger.
Pass it over, would you? Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
May turn me off the chicken nugget. Wow. It's a Christmas one.
Yeah.
This one is
Thank you.
for some
And some napkins, please. Yes, please. Thank you. Oh, wait a minute. There's a cheeseburger as well, no?
Oh, this is the cheeseburger and a large fry.
Is it fries and cheeseburger in that one, is it?
No,
Huh?
we didn't order that.
What's this? No. He's got it wrong. I got a
Large.
cheeseburger. What is this?
And a large fry.
Large fry. What's this?
Yeah.
No. Large fry.
Binigyan naman kami ng latte. Mali pala yung ano niya. A large fry. How was it? Good? Alina.
What's the price difference then? Have we got screwed there? Is a price difference with this or
I'm not actually sure.
doesn't matter?
Sorry about that.
No problem.
That's screwed there. I saw £2 something for something or other. I didn't see it clearly.
No, maybe just 50p, Daddy. Not worth it to
No,
mess around there.
no, it's not. No, it's not. You're quite right.
Maybe less.
Not worth it. You're right.
Okay, you open it. Your
Looks like it's Christmas now.
Christmas
Yeah.
from Santa.
I'll see what I got. What's this one? What is this? I'm so excited to open it. Game. Oh, I know what is this now. I know what is this. I hate open this. I don't know this. Oh,
What you got, Lisa?
I don't know. I don't know. Wait, is it Peloton? A bear coloring. Peloton bear coloring. But how do you open this one? Thank you, Santa. Thank you, Santa.
Because if you have to say thank you, 'cause it's because if you don't say thank you, then he's not gonna bring
I
anymore
need to
for
snip. I
Christmas.
need to cut this. I want yours.
No, that's for sharing there. This is the Happy Meal, the cheeseburger. Where's the cheeseburgers of yours na? Sa? Daddy bought me as well.
Mama, this is for sharing.
It's for sharing, Lisa.
Do you want the bread?
It's a lot there.
No.
It's a lot. Share, please. Yan yung extra fries na binili namin. Large fry. Mali, yan yung mali na binigay. Binigyan kami ng latte instead of that.
Ow, stop it.
Look, Daddy, oh, they're biting over the
Fries. But
fries. Kasi Alisa don't want to share the large fry.
I want to go into coloring pen.
Kain tayo mga kachika.
I want to go into coloring.
The large fries.
Alisa.
You got your cheeseburger, Mama?
Lisa, nagdiwan dyan.
Ah!
Tulog ka kasi Alisa mga kachika. Usually, hindi talaga siya natutulog pa. Hindi ako kasama. Hindi ako magtabi sa kanya. Oh, ayan. Ang katulog. Pagod yung bata. Yun na, may bababa ko yan kasi di ba doon sa last namin na video nag-ano ako mga kachika, nagpalit ako. So, ayan yun. Baba ko para labahan ko yan siya. Uy,
Yeah. Hi.
what's that?
Story about Mount Everest.
Oh, Mount Everest. Okay, what are you going to write there?
Right. Two people were climbing Mount Everest.
Mhm.
Was Hillary and Tennyson.
Hello, and Tenson.
How you're talking about it at
School.
English.
What happened to them?
They died because the window's too thin
Yeah, that's right.
in the storm.
Yeah, so I told you so many people died in there, in Mount Everest, even Filipinos died there.
Yeah. The window's too thin to breathe.
Yeah, they cannot breathe. Yeah, okay. Then you show me. You finish it tomorrow na lang, no?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, sleep na. Alice, sleep already.
Already? No?
Yeah, she fast asleep. Tulog na, Lisa. Ano yung oras mga kachika, oh? 12 52. Alam niyo, si Alina lang maggawa-gawa ng mga ganito-ganito ko sa cellphone ko. Ang hihimbing na natulog ng dalawa ko kasi naglaba ko kasi nga marami akong labahan. Yung mga pinagtatanggal ko ba, dito, pinalitan ko yung bedsheets namin. Ay, natanggalin ko nga to kay bago to, ano ba, mabango, bagong laba. Kaso may dumikit na, ano ba to? Parang, sa mga bata to, galing, yung, sila naman yung gumagamit ng, ito ba? Yung padikit pag masugat ka, ano ba yung tawag yan? Bandage. Bandage kasi yung tawag nila dito. Bira, band-aid sa atin, bandage dito sa kanila. Ay, ginawa ko, ayaw man tumatanggal, oy. Nalabahan na kasi, lumikit na siya. Bigay ko to kay Mr. kasi yung, ano niya din, yung kumot din niya ay nilabahan ko. Ito naman yung akin. Tig-isa pa mo. Ganito talaga. Oh, may isa sa mga bata to, mahilig mag-ano nito si Alisa. Padikit-dikit lang. Kaya minsan nauubos yung ano. Kaya nagpunta ako sa Savers, nagbili na naman ako ng bandage. Kasi nauubos lang ni Alisa. Kahit kaunting gas-gas, balagyan niya agad-agad nag-bandage. At hindi naman kailangan sana. Pangit tuloy tingnan. Nakasaksak yung iPad ni Alina, hindi pala naka-switch on yung ano, yung i-charge ko din yung phone ko, yung ginagamit ko pag vlog ba. Tapusin ko lang yung vlog ko, tapos ano na ako, matutulog na ako. Wala pa naman akong pasok bukas mga kachika. It is very good. Kasi diba, late na kami nakuwi sa bahay. Mga 9 o'clock na kami nakarating. Yung mga bata nag-aringit na. Wala na. Pati ako, naringit na din ako. Init ng mga ulo. Nag-aaway. Maliit na bagay. Natutulog na ako mga kachika. Ready ko lang yung kumot ni Mr. pala. Malikot pa naman yan. Galaw-galaw kung habang natutulog ako. So, syempre, pag gumagalaw siya, ako din, magganong-ganon din ako sa higaan ko kasi mabigat siya, di ba? Gusto ko mas mag-anak ko sa kanya. So, yun na mga kachika. Thank you for watching mga kachika. Ingat kayo. Yung ilo ko talaga. Thank you. Ingat.